James. This is my table. It was handed to me by a friend's grandmother who didn't want it in the house anymore. So I was like, well, don't put that out on the nature strip. I'll take it off your hands. So here we are.
So have you done any wizardry before?
Some wizardry, but no restoration.
Dabbling. A little bit of dabbling. We're going to try to take that dabbling to the next level. See if you can create some magic. I was like, I'm not going to listen to Harry Potter. Gave me a 15-minute sample. After that 15 minutes, I'm like, this is the greatest book I've ever listened to. I'm becoming a wizard.
Restoration Wizard.
You think a cape would get in the way of restoration? It doesn't. It doesn't get in the way at all. Enhances more than anything. And so you said the lady was going to just give this away.
She was going to put it on the nature strip.
Oh,
and
boy.
Yeah, and I sort of, like, even in my youth, I was like, well, that's a stupid idea. Yeah. Like, I think I've had this 15 years.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. That's
yeah,
sweet.
which is why it's gotten in, like, worse and worse condition. And why, like, up until now, it's sort of like, I've just really not had the, like, the ability to be like, oh, let's restore it. Exactly. And then I was like, well,
Now's the time.
now is the time.
Oh, it's coming apart. In like 1880s, they were making like 2 million of these a year. They ended up building like 3 factories that were like Bunnings-sized factories for like the metal work, the timber work, the carvings, the assembly. They had to put a train line between them to load the pieces up between the train. This is a serious thing we're doing. I'll lay everything out so yeah, he's an anal wizard. Anal wizard?
Restoration Wizard.
That's so fucking awesome.
Oh, that's got me. Yeah, this timber's coming up really nicely. Timber's closer to meat than it is steel because it grows, and it's a plant that is like adapted to get tall. The plant has made decisions to go, I'm getting up higher, I'm dragging these nutrients in so it grows and gets these fun visuals, and they're all different. You just don't want to introduce too much heat because you can burn the timber.
Yep.
It's the one and only Restoration Wizard.
Oh yeah, wizard goop. I reckon in the meantime, we can start sanding. It has to be folded by 4. I have to do this. No, you can't do it any other way in the workshop or it'll anger me.
He's the Restoration Wizard.
Yeah,
Do the whole thing, we'll wipe it all down.
Yep.
Yes. Good.
It's kind of getting to the point where I can't remember
What it looked like?
what it looked like previously.
I'm so glad you're saying that. I think about that with everything I do.
Yeah.
Like people come in and go, oh, it looks good, and I'm like, I don't remember what it looked like
Yeah.
beforehand now.
Yeah. You can write your name on.
Yeah, it's cool. I'll be like, wizard. Just like using a sauce bottle.
Gorgeous. Like, it's unbelievable.
You enjoyed as much as you thought you would?
More.
More. That's so good. That's not many people say that.
Oh, okay. Well,
Most people start and go, oh, it's dirty, it's dusty, it's messy, it's long. Oh. You think you'll
Yes.
try to take. Oh,
Yes, 100% yes. I would. I will. Well, I've already gotten like 4 chairs of hard rubbish to do some more of it. So
you're going to continue the wizardry.
I will.
Well, I think after all this hard work and how good this has turned around, that you, my friend,
Oh,
you deserve to become a little wizard yourself.
oh,
So let me. The newest, Hyatt's newest restoration wizard. Okay. A couple of long days of hard wizarding. Very happy with the result. I think it's one of the best before and afters we've had here. And James was such a beautiful man. He did so incredibly well. I could tell he really enjoyed it. He's already started taking on restoration projects, and it makes me really happy. It warms my heart. Thank you so much, James. Continue the wizardry. Okay, it's beautiful. Let's go like this. Get a little transfo.
and also the ugliest little Red Riding Hood. that's
Yeah,
ever
I was
existed.
like, we'll make the wizards look silly.
Thank you, restoration. Is it?